Welcome back to part 3 of our look at the word yes. In this episode, for advanced learners, we will take a fun look at how intonation and the way we say yes can change the feeling, nuance, and the perceived message of the word. Imagine a serious question, like, "Are you ready to have a baby?" How would you answer? Certainly not with a casual yep, yeah, or okay. For this answer, only yes will do. But how? Let's look at 9 different ways to say yes and the implications of each. Number 1, the low fall.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It is highly unlikely that you would use this intonation when answering the question of having a baby, unless you want to have an argument. This tone, though, is perfect following a fight or conflict with your beloved, or when straightforward facts are required, but not here. Not recommended. Number 2, the full fall.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Full emotional involvement. The higher that the tone begins, the more emotion and involvement you will display. Add an excited or a surprised face, and a little breathiness to your voice.
Yes.
And you will show extra commitment to your answer. A possible reply. Number 3, the mid-fall.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Use this for routine and uncommitted comments only. Not recommended. Number 4, the low rise.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sympathetic and friendly when expressed with a happy facial expression, but it also gives the feeling of, okay, but what's the catch? Not recommended. Number 5, the full rise.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This shows shock or disbelief. Not recommended. Your beloved might be shocked if you say yes, though, and could use this tone to double check with you, as if to say, "Did you really say yes?" Number 6, the high rise.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This shows you are confused or puzzled by the question, and is similar to saying, "Do you know what you're asking me?" Not recommended. Number 7, the level tone.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Bored, sarcastic, and ironic. This tone says, "If I must, I give up." Or, "Here we go again." Don't use this answer to our question unless you want to be killed. Number 8, the fall rise.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
A strongly emotional tone that with a positive facial expression shows encouragement and an urgent need to start. Not the best, but a possible answer. Number 9, the rise fall.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Strong emotional involvement. Add a big smile and a positive face to the expression, and this tone can show delight. Add a little breathiness, and it shows that you can't wait to start.
Yes. Yes.
Highly recommended. Good luck and congratulations on your future baby or wedding proposal replies. Bye for now.